Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 28 October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, waiver of interest on interest scheme. Interest on interest scheme means it is calculated on the compound interest. We know that everyone or some of our taken loans in banks. We know that the Reserve Bank of India has put the moratorium from the March 1st, that is up to 6 months, that is August ending. Now everyone is burdened with interest on interest, that is loans are calculated on the basis of compound interest. Here, due to COVID-19, our economy condition is in worst condition or in a slowdown condition. We have seen the negative growth, that is 23.4%. Minus 23.4% negative growth is there. That's why Reserve Bank of India has asked all lending institutions. All lending institutions means it covers banks, NBFCs, and some other cooperative societies also. That's why RBI has asked all lending institutions to credit the interest waiver on loans up to 2 crores for the 6 months moratorium period beginning from March 1st, 2020. Previously I said that there is a moratorium period of 6 months. Now this Reserve Bank of India has asked all lending institutions to credit the interest waiver on loans up to, here we have to underline the word, that is 2 crore rupees only. The lending institutions shall credit the difference between compound interest and simple interest with regard to the eligible borrowers in respect to accounts the said period irrespective of whether the borrower availed the moratorium on a repayment of loan or not. Even though he availed moratorium or not, they can give the difference between compound interest and simple interest. That is regarding on the waiver of interest on interest scheme. Next one, Feni Bridge. Here, Union Road Transport Minister, that is Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, has announced that 1.8 kilometer long Feni Bridge connecting Sabrum in India with Ramgarh in Bangladesh will be completed by this December this year. Here, building bridges, that is there is a bridge between India and Bangladesh. India building a bridge over Feni River. Here, that's why we will call it as a Feni Bridge. Feni River connecting a Sabrum to Ramgarh. Bridge to be completed before 2021. Reduce the nearest port from the 2200 km Haldia to 70 km, that is Chittagong. About 50 km of road in Bangladesh is in poor condition. That's why there is a bridge between India and Bangladesh. Next one, Skill India Mission. There are two important entities are there, that is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, that is MSDE, in collaboration with their unified regulator. Here we have to underline the word, that is unified regulator, that is National Council for Vocational Education and Training, that is NCVET, unveiled a guidelines for the awarding bodies and assessment agencies over a digital conference on the Skill India. Here, the guidelines at establishing quality, improved outcomes, and standardizing the process under the Skill India mission. We know that after Modi ji came into power, he introduced a Skill India mission. He has given a nod for Skill India. After that, if you see that with this National Council for Vocational Training and Education and Training, there are almost 92 lakh people have got their skills from this National Council for Vocational Education and Training. That's why Skill India mission play an important role in the to slow down the unemployment rate in India. Next one. Yesterday we have seen that there is a India and USA 2+2 dialogue, ministerial dialogue. Here in the dialogue there are some components have agreed. They are BECA. The first one, that is Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement between the Ministry of Defense, Government of India and the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency, that is NGA, Department of Defense of United States of America. Here the first and most important one, that is BECA, that is Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. Next one, MOU for the technical cooperation in the earth observations as well as and earth sciences also. Agreement for the electronic exchange of customs data between the postal operators. Arrangement extending the duration of memorandum of understanding between India and the United States of America. Letter of intent between the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences in New Delhi and the Officer of Cancer Complementary and Alternative Medicine, National Cancer Institute, Government of USA for cooperation in the field of Ayurveda and cancer. The first one BECA, and second one technical cooperation in earth observations and earth sciences, and third one electronic exchange of customs data, and fourth one memorandum of understanding, and fifth one there is a cooperation in the field of Ayurveda and cancer research. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.